Hello Odooers, welcome to our Odoo technical session. Myself Dipanshu from Devintelle Consulting Service Private Limited. Today we will see how to create activity view in Odoo. So don't waste the time and let's start now. So first of all, I will tell you what is the activity view. So Odoo is a built-in activity management mail.activity. So it shows records based on the scheduled activities like call, email, meeting, etc. So you can use the activity view in your model to show these scheduled interactions. So for creating the activity view, we have to inherit mail.activity.mixin model in our custom model. So into the mol.mol object, we inherit mail.activity.mixin model. So now we add a activity view into the XML file. So here you can see the XML file of mol.mol object, and into this XML file we create the activity view for mol.mol object. So here you can see this is the record of activity view of the mol.mol object. So into the record we have to write the unique ID. Here I write view mol activity, then write model ir.ui.view, then write unique name, then write model name for which you want to create the activity view. So here I write mol.mol object, then write field name is equal to arch, type is equal to XML. Then for creating the activity view we have to write activity tag like this, and then we have to add the template for the activity view. So you can add the custom template into the activity view. So here I add this custom template for the activity view. So now enable the activity view, we have to write activity into the action of the mol.mol object. So now restart the server and upgrade the module and refresh this page. So here you can see the activity view of the mol.mol object. Now I click on the activity view. So here you can see the scheduled activity for the specific record. Suppose we go into the alpha1 mol record, then we create the new activity from the chatter. Here I create activity of call for business. Deadline is 23 May. Assign is Mitchell admin, and I create activity. So now I go into the activity view. So here you can see the scheduled activity for the specific record into the activity view. You can also see the activity from here. Click on this record. So you can see here the scheduled activity like this. You can also create the scheduled activity from here. Click on the button. For which record you want to create the activity, so select that record. Now select the activity type, suppose meeting. Now I click on the schedule. So here you can see the activity of meeting is added into the Odoo square mol record. So this is how you can create the activity view in your model. If you have any doubts, questions, so let's write into the comment section. We will try to solve your doubts. Thank you for the watching our video. Let's meet into the next session.